You know, it's crazy. People don't think about this, but in Nevada, maritime and admiralty law is a big part of the practice of personal injury. Because we are on the Colorado River, and the Colorado River is a interstate navigable waterway that connects states, it's subject to maritime and admiralty law. And that changes things in a lot of different ways. We had a case involving a riverboat that ran into a boat, injured parties on both vessels, and we had to go to federal court to bring an action for personal injuries for those passengers. And so what happens is, because you're in federal court, it changes a lot of the rules. It changes the way fault is apportioned, and it also changes the types of laws that are going to apply. Generally, you can get 100% joint and several liability. Comparative fault is pure. And what that means basically is that you can sue anybody that's responsible for the injury on the water, and you can collect the full amount from any of those particular defendants that was responsible. Now, it changes if you settle with one of them, and then that makes it a different way of apportioning fault. It's really in the weeds there, but it basically just means that it's a complicated, different system than state laws that would otherwise apply. So in Nevada, you don't have to get, say, a unanimous verdict to get a plaintiff's verdict, for example, but in federal court, you would need to have a unanimous verdict. Also, another unique thing about maritime law that would apply on accidents involving the Colorado River or Lake Mead, if the owner of the vessel, say you got a jet ski and they negligently rent out a jet ski, the jet ski potentially could be limited. The amount you recover from the jet ski owner could be limited to the value of the vessel. So you could say, have a really serious injury, and the owner of the jet ski could try to limit their liability to the value of the jet ski, maybe $8,000–$10,000. It's completely unfair. There's ways around it. It just makes it a lot more complicated in how to handle these types of claims.